just happened to be on a boat in Paris on the Seine, as per that noise in the background, and that means we're about to head out. Another impromptu vlog. First time after my 12th time in this city that I'm going to be doing one of these boats. So I'm just going to give you a sort of an idea of what they're all about. As the 8 o'clock boat comes in, we are parked right next to the Eiffel Tower, as you can see. And also the Christmas lights are all out on the boat as well, which is a nice touch. It is a very festive vibe here in Paris. It's been fantastic on our first day here in the city proper. That's besides the point. Enjoy this picturesque vlog as we give you the sights and sounds of the Seine Boatier. We got our beverages. They come included, one each with the ride.
Onde teria deixado o carro não estava. Eu pensei, eu com o carro com o bloco.
right, so just a brief wrap up as we near the end of the tour. We did turn around, as you may have noticed, right at the Ile de Cité, or the secondary island. I think it's Ile Saint-Helena. I don't know, I may still have Laurent in my mind. Freezing up here now, so most people have went downstairs, as you might have seen. There are so many unique boats on this river, all themed. You could probably just jones out on the amazing arsenal boats that are here available for your pleasure on the Seine.